Hey, good Tuesday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Doug Hetty with your updated video cast for you. And, of course, we're going to go over what's going to happen over really the next couple weeks. It's October now, if you can believe it or not. This is a big change month for all of us. We've transitioned now from our old pattern into the new pattern. We're going to be in this new pattern now for well, really a year. The new cycle is set, but the new cycle has really been set for, a couple months now, 2.5, 3 months. But now this new cycle is interacting with this new pattern. So it doesn't look the same. It acts differently with the new pattern, but it's still coming in at the same time as it has been for the past 2.5, 3 months. So it's very interesting. This is an exciting month for me. Big deal for everybody else, huh? But we actually have an interesting few days coming up. First off, we actually have a hurricane, strong hurricane, Cat 4 hurricanes, Matthew, which is spinning right now just to the west of the Dominican Republic. In fact, I'm going to go through time. You're going to see it pop up here the next couple days. Okay, so if we go down here, you see this little guy just north of Cuba. That's our hurricane. So we're going to watch it track, and we are looking, let's see, by Thursday afternoon into Friday morning, and then it just goes right up the east coast of Florida. So you can see it right in here, which is really pretty amazing. I'm going to adjust the screen there. It's pretty amazing how close it gets. Now, I'll take it down to the surface here, and you'll be able to see the exact spin. So let's go into noon Thursday. You can see that little circle right there. So it misses really Fort Lauderdale if it would stay on the track it is right now. Then right up the coast. So the big question is, will it hit Florida? Will it go right up the coast like this? Will it hit parts of Georgia or South Carolina or North Carolina? Will it turn and just right up the coast? This is a powerhouse hurricane, clocking winds sustained at 145 miles per hour. A lot of questions on what Matthew is going to do. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. All right, back here at home, looking at the surface, we have eventually a front that's going to roll in here. We can move all the way into Friday, and you can see, look at all the cold air. It dives into Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, Iowa, and then this is Friday morning, so you can see the front really from Wisconsin to Kirksville to Joplin to Tulsa, all the way down through Wichita Falls. And look at all this colder air that's going to move in for the weekend. So if we go down to the surface, let's look at our precip over the next few days. So we're looking at Tuesday here. Showers, thunderstorms, most of the day Tuesday from Iowa, eastern parts of Nebraska, central parts of Kansas. Not really looking at anything severe, so not a huge deal. And then look at the showers and thunderstorms increase down across southwestern Missouri, southeastern Kansas for Tuesday night. It's not a huge deal, but as we head into Wednesday, then we'll see a few more popping up late Wednesday night. Let's see here. Again, right along the front, Kansas City, Topeka, and then again on Thursday, we get going once again right along that front. So it's just kind of rounds of showers and thunderstorms. But the big round of showers and thunderstorms is Thursday night as the main front rolls through. So you can see this huge batch that develops and then plows off toward the south and to the east. So this will be our biggest batch of showers and thunderstorms with heavy amounts of rain that really roll through. Now if I switch this, let's kind of look down the road here. We're going to go back to the upper levels, and this kind of shows what's happening. I want to actually switch our sector to North America. Okay. So we see this system. I'm going to go back out to Friday. This guy. This is very similar. I'm going to pull out my wonderful maps. Let's see. It's very similar to what we had early to mid-August, 10th through the 15th. And then watch what happens as we head into next week. Kind of flattens out. The jet stream flattens out. So really the entire Central Plains stayed mild and dry. most of next week. Not too much happens. And then as we head into late next week, then things start to get active again. We have these storm systems dropping in. So this is October 17th. So Monday, October 17th, storm systems start dropping in. This is very similar to what we had August 24th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and then heading into the beginning of September. That's when it started getting real active again, and that's when we're going to see this next active stretch. So, yeah, we have this system this week, but we don't see too much going on again until the middle of October, and then that's when things will start to get fun again. But, of course, I'm going to keep you updated. I wanted to give you guys a video cast on what was going to happen this week and what was going on with the hurricane, and then, of course, what's going to happen over the next couple weeks. Of course, below this video cast, I've written out the long-range forecast all the way out through, I think, about the middle of November, and I'll start adding to that here over the next few weeks. Have a great Tuesday, and have a great Tuesday evening, and a great week.